Alright guys, if it looks familiar, this is what's inside your headlight switch on a 2020 Volvo. And the issues experience is a common one, and this is it right here. That right there is a switch. It's a button that gives the issues. Try to press it, see if you can see it. Okay, that's the button that gives issues with four-way hazards. So I have a part now. Gonna try to clean it up a little bit, which I did. See if I can get it working. Gonna give it a shot. There's the pin that goes in behind it, a plug here. There's the Volvo part number and all that information. You try to get this information from the dealer, and they kind of hold that information hostage. So let's see how it goes, and we'll give it a shot. Again, that's for my Volvo.